Alright, here we go. First time streaming with GrandMA3. So I have the new update, which is update 2.4. I've been working on a little bit of a show file here lately. Let's see. Alright, here we go. First time streaming with GrandMA3. So I have the new update, which is update 2.4. I've been working on a little bit of a show file here lately. Let's see. Alright, here we go. First time streaming with GrandMA3. So I have the new update, which is update 2.4. Alright, just gotta make sure that all my audio is set up correctly before I get started. I got a pretty simple rig here, and I'll go over in just a moment. Alright, I think I'm all set up. So here's my rig, so I can go over here so you can see it. Basically, we have, we have 4 pars, which are on the ground here, actually. Yeah, let me go over here. So it's the floor package, I call it. Let's go full. So I have these 4 lights here. And I spent a lot of time working on this rig, and I think there's 14 fixtures. No, 16, I think. Okay, but these are floor fixtures, and then I have 2 trusses, which there's 8 washes, which are these, I forget, they're Mac or XBs, I think I added to this. See, so those are all there. Let's see what else is there. Then there's also my spots, which I have 4 spots here. Oh yeah, so it is 14 fixtures. And then these are just some Roby mega points. And I can turn these on here. That's what it looks like. And yeah, I just got the new GrandMA update, so I've been playing around with that a bit. This is my page that I made for setting up all my groups and such. And I made this other page that's meant for the actual programming. I need to put this back in here. Okay, there we go. So I've watched a couple videos already of the new update, and it seems like that they made phasers a lot better. So I'm probably going to be playing around with those a bit. I had a bunch of phasers before, but they were all kind of messed up, so I just deleted all of them, and I'm going to start fresh. Alright, so one of the first effects that I think I'm going to try to make today is a sort of like a kind of like a chase effect. So I think I'm going to start off, I'm going to go here, I'm going to go to preset 7, and I'm just going to create a phaser recipe. Now I'm not 100% sure how to use this yet, so I guess I'm going to learn this as I go. But interesting, okay. So from what I know, I've done a little bit with recipes already. I think I started GrandMA3 maybe like 2 weeks ago, so I'm not very good at it still, but I'm getting there. So I think I just can select group all, and then I'll do, I think it's all good. I think for shape, I guess sign. I think, can I view it? No, I can't view it. Okay. What are all these dim? Ooh. Okay. I think I'll select dimmer. 0 to 1. Yeah. Looks good. Ease in out. Yeah, I think that's what I want. So I think if I just have this now, can I? Okay, that works. So I can just do that on off, soft, I guess. I think if I just have this now. Alright, now with this, I'm just going to build off of this effect, and I'll create a little bit of a chase. So let's see if, can I just go, okay, no, so the old one is not selected, the one I just made, so I can't just like build off of it, but that's fine. I can just go here, or, okay, yeah, let's do a shape of, actually no, there's this down here, so shape sign. Oh my gosh. Let's just go dimmer for both of them. And then for phase, I think I'll just do 360. Should be correct. Let's see though, if I go here, oh, that's not doing what I want. Let's go edit setting. Does it need to be phase 2x? There we go. Yeah, that works. I'll say this is a chase smooth. Nice, okay. So this is actually my first time using the new phaser recipes feature, which I'm pretty new to GrandMA3, I don't know how people were making those complicated videos before, because this is pretty useful. But I do have to say that they do need to add the Speedmaster. It's not very good that that's missing, because I have one here even, but I can't use it. Also have this for a cue. Oh yeah, so kind of something interesting I guess about my show file here is I have basically a way that I can switch between songs. So I was at a Good Kid concert and the lighting designer guy, I would just notice, because I was standing pretty much right behind where he was, and I noticed that you just click a button on a pool and then it would switch it, and I was wondering how he did that. So I actually figured out you can create a macro that can just switch what's on the executor down here. So right now song 1, I can load song 2, and also have that sort of prep scene, so this is like your in-between, and then it'll set that. It looks real nice. I can switch back here to song 1, and then as you can see it's assigned down here, so it just switches it. I can press go, throw my different cues, which I don't have any cues on that one. Do I have any cues on this one? Oh yep, I have cues on this one. So that's kind of a neat thing. And then also my last executor right here, I have some blinders here that I can just activate using temp. So that's pretty neat. Off. I think it's off, yeah. Okay. Yeah, so that's what I've been playing around with a bit now. Alright, let's see what's next. So I made on off soft, and also have a chase smooth, and I don't know why my why are my blinders doing that too? Okay, there we go, it's fixed. My blinders for some reason were doing the effect as well, but they were not supposed to be doing that. Alright, what should I make next? Probably... So I think... Okay, is there a way... Is there a way with this... Okay, so I can make it go backwards, but then I have to... do it, but... Okay, so I saw there's some sort of new feature that looks pretty interesting. So if I go here, let's do this. Let's select all. Let's do a shape of sign again. And dimmer, 100 to 0, cool. And let's do a phase 2x, 360. And let's also go here. I think there's alternate, and if I'm not mistaken, why are my blinders turning on again? Let's see though. If I do this, well, it does. Oh, that's pretty interesting. So I can do alt smooth chase. And my ultimate goal with this show file is to be able to program an entire cue list for like a song. Probably, I don't know from which artist yet, but probably like Good Kid or maybe Rostam or something. I don't know, I gotta figure it out, but yeah, let's see though. What should I do next? Should I do chase, smooth, reverse? I have no clue if this is the right way to be doing this stuff, but I guess it works, so that's cool. Can you select... Oh, you can't select multiple there. Okay. Let's do phase 2x of 360. I mean, okay, this workflow is a lot better than how I was doing it before. This just seems way better. Okay. I really hope that Ma adds Speedmaster this soon. That's like I don't even know. Yeah, it's ridiculous that they don't even have Speedmaster in here. Okay, I think that's all set up how I want it to. What's this? Add value source. Wonder what's in here. Is there a Speedmaster? No, no Speedmaster. What else? I think. Yeah, let's go out of here. Label. Actually, no, let's press space. Okay. Smooth. Chase. Reverse. There we go. Yep. Moving in the opposite direction. Cool. No, wait. Can I... This is like a snap. It's not going to do anything right now, is it? Oh, but they're moving. Hold up, can you... I should make it so you can add Speedmasters to the shapes or something. I do... Actually, 100% sign isn't going to do anything. What does this look like? I want to see what this looks like. Is it 1D? Oh, here. Yeah, so it's just a snap. Let's see if I go. Let's go here. Actually, yeah, can I do like an on and off? Oh, I can just change it like that. Wait. Really? So wait, I can... Hold up. Wait. This is actually... I can just go here. Oh, okay, that's cool. I can just change it like that. So I can do a ramp up. So I don't even need to add the shape to these. I can just make these whatever. So if I want to do a chase here, if I also want to be a snap chase, there we go. Doesn't look very good though. Still, that's cool that you can do that. Do like a ramp down, I guess. It's a trapeze. It's interesting. Chase. Can't use the Speedmaster. Can I change the speed down here though? So I can change the speed down there though. Now I'm changing Speedmaster there. I don't know if that still makes it a recipe phaser, but I don't know. I guess that kind of works. These are my questions, though. If I take all these, if I just start making a traditional phaser, so if I have a traditional phaser, can I just set shape? Can. That is pretty neat. So oh, what? What did I do? Select all but these. If I just do sign, oh, look at that. Look how easy that is. Now let's just select just the trusses. Let's make them do phaser. Okay, now I gotta do it. So I gotta set up here, off, on, off, sign, half. Sure. Let's do. Oh, let's not do that. Let's go down here and let's set the phase. Okay, so we have that. And now let's go to, where is it? None of these relative. I don't know if these are relative or not. If they're relative, then that means that I can do a position. Looks like it is. Now let's. This one's going kind of slow, so let's speed it up. Oh. Oh, what the heck? What did I just find? Here we go. Starting to do some interesting stuff now. Oh. What did I just figure out? Actually, I mean, I don't know how this would be used in a show or anything, but I mean, it's kind of unique if I make it fast. Huh. It's very interesting. Oh, hello. Yeah, I'm playing around with GrandMA3, the new update. Trying out the new this new shapes feature that was added in it to help with the creation of phasers. Also, there's like a I think there's like a 30-second stream delay, so it'll take me about 30 seconds to see your messages. Okay. See, we could add some color to that. Nice, okay. So far I've just built a couple phasers here using the new recipe editor that was added. Now I'm gonna see what else I can do. Through Discord. see here. Let's create recipe, phaser recipe. All. Actually, let's not do all. Let's just do the trusses. And then for the shape, I think I'll select. I think I'm gonna make a movement phaser here. So I'm gonna do basically like a circle. That's the plan here. So I'll do circle. And I can change these curves here. And I can also change, I guess, the relative values. So interesting. I'll have to. I didn't know that was a thing. Let's see. 45 the house. Wait, it's changing absolute? I want to change relative. Yeah, whatever. Curve that. Yep, good. I'm not gonna change the phaser yet. Okay, and then I think. Oh, where'd I? Oh, I made this. Oh, here we go. Okay, so now it's like a circle here. It's kind of boring. Everything is relative. It's kind of annoying because these spots right here, they're going in the wrong direction. And I can't get them to go in the right direction. I have to go into fixture patch. But if I change it here, it's going to mess up all my other presets. Which is kind of annoying. I just invert them there. See if I... It's still not going the right direction. What? Is Unless it is my pan that is wrong. Is it my pan? It's not my pan. I don't know what is wrong here. What the heck? Trying to self-learn computer. I mean, you're using a computer right now, right? So, I think you've learned to use a computer. I'm gonna try this again. I'm gonna try making this phaser again. Phaser recipe. Selection, trusses. Let's do... Yeah, let's do... this again. So let's do a figure 8 pool. Or not a figure 8, let's do a circle. Art on computer. Oh, yeah. I do a little bit of Photoshop every so often. It's kind of art, I guess. I'm guessing you're doing the drawing kind of art. Speed of 7 BPM. Let's do like, let's do 20. It's gonna be really slow. Curve. Yep. It's still going the wrong direction. I don't know why I can't fix this. It's kind of not good. 100, and then let's do... Oh, no, okay. Still not going the right way. Why is that? Am I... Yeah. Don't even know. I have no clue. Why is this not working? Oh wait. I just looked on Discord and realized. I didn't realize that was you, Miles. I was just looking on... Because I didn't see Discord, and then I didn't recognize that username. I thought that was some random... I thought you were some random person. Let's see here. Yeah, no, I've never seen that for your username before. I've only I don't know, I thought you were just a random person. I honestly just thought you were some random person that off the internet. Because I've never seen that username before, so I mean... And Discord didn't alert me when you messaged me, so I didn't know that you, I didn't know that that was you. Okay. That's funny, okay. Yeah. Because I would have thought that if you were... I would have thought that you'd use your, what you call it, your other account, whatever it's called. You know, I would have thought that you would be using your, your channels thing for, typing. Okay. Oh my gosh, so why isn't this working? Yeah, I would have thought if you'd used that, I would have known, I think, a lot sooner. Let's see though, let's go here. I'm just gonna select all my spots. I don't even know what rotation is gonna use. I'm just gonna manually rotate them because I don't feel like trying to figure out what is wrong. Yeah. Pretty good. How's the art coming along though for your board game? Oh great, now it really is inverted. That's fine though, I think I can just do that and it'll be fixed. Clear it all. 100. Nope, it's still not working. Really? So yeah, where have you been posting your art? Or, oh, you said posing, not posting. Okay, never mind. Yeah. Why? Why is this still not working? Disable this. I just want this to work. Oh my gosh, though, these things keep moving in the wrong direction. And so, I'm very annoyed by this. Oh my gosh. Why don't these go the right direction? Anything I try, these things just don't go in the right. Yeah. Oh my gosh, can these fixtures please go in the right direction? Oh my gosh. I think it's the tilt. I mean the pan. I don't even know if what I'm doing up here is doing anything, honestly. Let's try this again. Let's go here. 100. No. Bro. Oh yeah. Why will this work? I feel like I've tried everything to fix this. But I might just have to try at this point. Is just go patch. And then for all these, I might just have to make all these go in this direction. It's still not... What? It's supposed to fix it. Maybe, okay, maybe let's do this. Let's go 100%. Still is not going the right direction. Fabulous. Don't you just love it when things are definitely working? Oh my gosh. Maybe more frustrating because there aren't any errors or anything. Like, it's just something the logic is not working. Thing is, I don't know what. Oh my gosh. It's probably something really, really dumb. And I just don't know what it is. I need a professional. I need a lighting professional in the chat. I need to get a professional in here. Great, so now it's going like that. So I don't want these to be flipped around like that. All 100%. I think I'm gonna be going soon, cause I got stuff I gotta do. Yeah, you're saying to get Crash Out Crew, I would, but I don't really have money for that right now, so unfortunately not yet. Okay, they're still going to that position. So does doing this even... What is this? Yeah, I know that, I know the game, but... Yeah, aggro crab, yeah. Yeah, I saw that when I was looking at the store page. Yeah, unfortunately, I don't have money for that right now. So, not yet. Yeah, I don't really have money for that right now. Oh! Oh! Wait, it's working! Finally! Oh my gosh. Yo, it's working! What was that game again? Little ball shooty game. Can't think of which one that would be. That's oh my gosh. Can't think of which one that is. Look at this. I mean, I got stuff working, kind of. Stuff is kind of working. I got kind of a neat effect going on here. Whatever this is. I don't know what I'm doing here exactly, but it's kind of interesting. Let's do a trapeze. Might have to invert this. Whoa. This is something. I would not use this in a show. Alright, well I think I gotta go. I got something to do. I got stuff to do. I'm gonna start sort of streaming my MA3 programming stuff. Cause you know, kind of fun I guess to do this, and then also, cause you know I want to get a job in this one day, potentially. So, oh yeah, rounds, yeah. Yeah, I want to get a job potentially one day in lighting, so might as well record it so I can like build a portfolio or something. You know, get my name out there, I guess. Yeah, I'll probably be doing this some more times. I don't know if I'll be streaming again today, but probably tomorrow and some other days during summer, probably for about an hour at a time. Should be fun. Yeah. Yeah, see ya. Anyway, you wanna see my like stream and screen thing? Here we go. I'm gonna end the stream. So stream for about an hour. Alright, okay, here we go. Boom.